Guys, Moaz is back. It's been roughly about 6 or 7 days since I've uploaded. So those 6 or 7 days, I was, celebrating Eid with my family, and just catching up with family. We went to Oklahoma, so alhamdulillah, I'm back, and I'm back on my grind. So alhamdulillah, today is day one of Ramadan. Let me think. I want to call this. I'm thinking about calling this like a little series, Ramadan. Redemption arc, or like something like, it sounds a little cheesy, but Ramadan Rebuild arc, something like that, something along those lines. So I just want to share a couple things with you guys and show some things that I recently bought, that I'm starting to try to use, and you guys are going to see how I grow and how I level up day to day. So first of all, my last video I made was a day in my life, Ramadan, Eid, and it didn't go that well, or not didn't go that well, but it wasn't the best quality. So I bought this microphone, so it's gonna help with the quality of the video if you guys can't hear me. So inshallah I'll be using that next video. And something else I want to do is, for my face, recently I've been, I got a little edge up, but there's still some areas I'm missing out here, but I'll come back inshallah. So I bought this right here. I don't really know what it's called. It's just something to help out my facial cleanser. This is not an ad, by the way. It's just something I'm showing you guys. It comes with a facial cleanser cream, stuff like that. Two sides. One is to remove the dead cells, and one is just to clean it. So that's another thing I want to show you guys. And what was it I was thinking about? Yep, there it is. So currently, I don't have a beard, but a beard always makes a man look better. That's what I think. So I bought a derma roller. I'm gonna start derma rolling, even though I recently have. It's just I've never stuck to it. I always just shave it because I go through those phases where it doesn't look the best. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So real quick, I just want to recap on some things I just want to share with you, and something I learned throughout the day. Just a quick little sparkle, little addition of knowledge I can give you guys, inshallah. So Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatan min lisani yafqahu qawli. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So one thing I learned recently, and one thing I've been acting upon, is something called recompense. So basically it means I make amends for a loss or harm or suffering that I've done, or it could be I punish somebody for something they've done to me, or it will be I'll reward them or punish them for it. So basically I have been acting upon that is sometimes some people harm you in certain ways, and I was speaking about this earlier in my first video, is do you forgive them? Do you walk away? Do you let it slide? Oh, God will forgive me if I forgive them. Well, sometimes you gotta be straightforward with them. You gotta talk to them. You gotta be like, look, you do this to me. This is how I felt about it. Blah, blah, blah. I'm gonna let you off this time. Forgive you. Or, you know how it goes. Because sometimes some people take weakness. Sometimes some people take weakness as, a form of just petty. So they're gonna be petty because you show your weakness, and they think forgiving them, or showing that you're more forgiving, is a form of weakness. So recently I've learned that being nice invites a lot of disrespect. So I personally think I can be overly nice sometimes in certain scenarios, so I gotta be straightforward about certain things more often. And another thing I've recently learned is something crucial. It's something a wise person once told me. I don't have the quote about who once said it, but the more I learn and know, the less I think I know. So the more I'm learning and the more I'm acting upon what I know and what I've been blessed with in this Ramadan is, I start thinking like, oh, I know it all. You know what I mean? I don't. I actually don't. So the more I learn and know, the less I think I know. You know what I mean? So it's something very simple. One more thing I've also learned recently and I've been acting upon is sometimes I speak more than I need to. So I have 2 ears but 1 mouth. So basically it. So it's listen first, learn, and then apply. So if you were to act upon this in anything, so if you were to hit the gym, or you go to school, or try to learn something new, listen first, learn what you're doing. So basically listen what's going on, learn it, then apply it. So those 3 steps probably take a lot longer if you do it right than you usually think it would. So that's just basically little things I've been wanting to share. some things I wanted to touch on. And the last thing I wanted to speak about was I've been starting journaling. So I just bought this journal, and um, every day I've just been writing in it. You know, first day by my eyes. I've been doing it, way back when, since 2023, but I haven't, standing on my business and done it consistently. But now I plan on doing that consistently, and writing down what went through my day, reflecting on, hey, what did I do this day, taking accountability of my day. And another thing is I've been reading, the book Power, 48 Laws of Power, and I haven't been standing on it, but standing on it meaning it, reading it often, but I plan on getting back on that. And another thing I've been doing has been adding more to my wall, the reinvention wall, I call it. So that wall is like, I just write stuff down every day, my push-ups every day, day in, day out. Today is actually day 95. I've been doing it consistently, just writing it down. Now, every day I do write stuff down, that means I did something that day, or did something worthy of writing down, or, wrote down a goal and I did it and I achieved it. So write stuff down that you guys believe that you're going to do. So if I was to write something down, I believe I'm going to do it, and I'm going to get it done within that day. And every day is just another day God blessed you with. So you go to sleep, you wake up, you got to do it again. Thank you guys. Assalamu alaikum. I hope this helped.